Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Home Assistant add-ons for better smart home dashboards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start downloading Home Assistant add-ons, ensure you have Home Assistant installed and running. Access your Home Assistant dashboard through your web browser. Log into your Home Assistant account if you haven't already. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the Supervisor option. In the Supervisor panel, look for the Add-on Store tab at the top. Click on the Add-on Store to open the list of available add-ons. Browse through the collection of add-ons to find the one you wish to install. Once you find an add-on, click on it to view its details and description. Read through the information provided to ensure it meets your needs. To begin the installation process, click the Install button found on the add-on page. Wait a few moments as Home Assistant downloads and installs the add-on. After the installation is complete, you'll see an option to start the add-on. Before starting, check the configuration options if necessary. Click on the Configuration tab to customize the settings of the add-on. Once you've made any required changes, save them. Now, return to the add-on page and click the Start button. After starting the add-on, monitor its status to ensure it is running correctly. If needed, click the Logs tab to troubleshoot any issues during the installation. Once the add-on is running smoothly, you can access its features from your Home Assistant dashboard. As you explore the new functionality, consider integrating it into your existing smart home setup. Remember to periodically check for updates to your add-ons to maintain optimal performance. Enjoy enhancing your smart home experience with the installed add-ons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.